So we'll trade recap of a loss that I took last week. Really unfortunate. And I'm just gonna be going through why I took this trade and what I could have done better. So basically coming to this trading night, this is on Asia Session Gold. I'm normally trading futures, but I'm trading USD on FX Replay because I don't have access to futures. Basically, if y'all want to 15% off your FX Replay subscription, you can use code SAM15 to save up some money. So, as I said, coming to that trading night, I was pretty bullish. So, what I wanted to see is just a retracement, and then tries to go higher. All right. So, I took the trade around 7. So, basically, pretty soon. So, we are generating some highs. Wait. Oh, that's really unfortunate because on as I said, on actually futures and on futures, I do think we did I think we did inverse. We did take this hello, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure we did, because I took this. This is basically, so yeah, basically we took this low, and the confluence behind this trade is just, this is the opening candle of the opening price of the brand new hourly candle, so the 7 p.m. candle. So when we open, we went down, creating the wick, and then what I expect price to do is to just close higher. All right, so basically and then I expect 8 p.m. to close higher. All right, so, and as we can see, if we just go on the higher time frames, we are really wicking this low, showing a lot of rejection. So I think I took the 3-minute. I think I did take the 3-minute, and like my break even was like this 5-minute gap. All right, and my TP was this buy side liquidity side around here. This is my break even, so 5 minutes. I need to buy FX Replay Premium because it sucks to do this recap on Forex. So, yeah. So we basically took this 30-minute intermediate low. All right, so a low that is inside a gap. All right, there. So we swipe this low, and then we are seeing a lot of rejection out of it, and we also had the new hourly candle open lower. So I think I took this 3-minute. I think like something like this. Yeah, I took something like this. So basically, so my stop loss was the 1-minute candle body, because I just didn't like the R on the full wick. So I took this. Let me enter order market. So I didn't enter with such risk. All right, that's just like 1% of my 8,000. All right, so I entered with less risk. and price, I think it did went straight to stop loss. Yeah, so I got stopped out right there, which is pretty unfortunate, but I think the reason this setup failed because, as I said on the CAU USD, it's really like different. On MGC, setup was a lot cleaner. We had a lot of displacement and we swept this low, which we didn't on here. It's pretty weird, but we did on the on MGC. So basically, I think the reason I got stopped out might be because I didn't wait for 8 p.m. So like the official Asia session start, and I got caught in some chop because the exact same setup played out like an hour after. So we are just going to be going through this other setup. So as I said, a lot of chopped after, and then bang. All right, so same case as earlier. As I said, um, this is the we opened the 8 p.m. candle, so price opened. We went lower, creating a wick and sweeping the intermediate low. Then we started rejecting, so I expect price to close higher. Oh, all right, something like this. So, same as before. This is basically 8 p.m. All right, so if we go here, 8 p.m. went down, and I assume price would go up. Like if we go in this, right? So then I'm looking for the highest time frame inversion. So as of right now, the highest time frame inversion would be only 1 minute. It would be this gap. I don't think it is this gap. I think I would have ended up entering off the 3-minute inversion. We'll see. Yeah, this is gonna be a 3-minute inversion entry. All right, so we inverse the 3-minute gap right there. This is the, oh no, I think it was a, oh, so it was a 3-minute entry. So same target as before, this buy side liquidity. Stop loss at the body closure, the start of the wick basically of the manipulation leg on the 5-minute. And my break even I think was the yeah, was basically on futures. We didn't tap into this 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna be using this gap. So, but on if I would have taken it on futures, I would have used the 5-minute fair value that was untouched. All right, so that's basically the better entry. So it's really similar to the first entry, but this one is better because we are actually in the Asia session, like officially. So I think there might be more like volume. So I avoid trading in conditions like this, basically. So I think this might have been the reason because, like mechanically, I think this was a really good setup. So, I mean, I'm gonna try to interpret a more reasonable size. Right, so 1.3 RR market. I'm gonna put, yeah, 500 is good. Break even at the 5-minute untapped fair value gap, and we'll see. Right, so we tap into this gap, so I'm break even, so risk free on that trade. and then let's see what happens. Bang, TP hit. So we had a little bit of a drawdown at the start of the trade, but it still played out. So I think that this was a really better entry, and from now on, I'm waiting for 8 p.m. or like 7:45 just to be looking at if there's a really good setup to take any trade, because I don't want to get caught into some pre-market, as we could say, chop. All right, so that's the main thing that I'm just learning from this trade. And that's basically it. So unfortunate loss. It was only on evals though, so that's pretty nice. And this was a really good setup too. So yeah. Oh shit. So that's pretty much it for today. If y'all have any questions, just let me know in the comments, or you can just DM me on Discord or Instagram. And don't forget to use code SAM15 on FX Replay for 15% off. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy the video and learn something.